Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video I'll be sharing with you guys my first impressions of the Realme 3, so keep watching. Now starting from the phone's design, it has a very nice unibody design and the phone is made of plastic at the back, which had a really nice glossy finish, and the body looks quite convincing like glass, and then the rear camera is placed towards the top left of the corner on a vertical position, and it does have a slight camera bump, and the fingerprint sensor is at the back and it unlocks really fast. Check it out. That's really fast. Now the Realme 3 comes in 3 colors for you guys to choose from. The one which I have on my hands is the Radiant Blue, and then there's also Dynamic Black and Classic Black. Now the phone screen features a 6.22-inch IPS LCD display with a 19:9 aspect ratio with the 88.3% screen to body ratio. It has a 1520x720 resolution and used the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for protection, and of course there's also the dewdrop style notch in front. Now as for the ports and buttons, looking out below, there is the headphones jack, which is always wonderful to have, and then there is the speaker grill, and you'll find the micro USB port. Then looking on the left, there's 2 volume buttons and also the dual nano SIM card slot with a dedicated space for expandable storage up to 256 gigs of storage. Then on the right there is the power key, but what is really interesting about this power button is the fact that you can call out Google Assistant by pressing and holding the button, and then pressing it longer will turn off the device. Now as for the phone's camera setup, it comes with a 13 megapixel f1.8 and a 2 megapixel for the second lens, which exists purely for the bokeh type of effects, and then the front camera comes with a 13 megapixel shooter. And yes, I'm eager to test out the camera in my full video review, especially with the latest update of the Nightscape mode and also the Chroma Boost mode, so stay tuned and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Now as for the video recordings, the phone records up to 1080p up to 30 frames per second, so that's great. Now as for the insides of the phone, the Realme 3 in Malaysia comes with a MediaTek Helio P60 processor, and it runs with the Android 9.0 Pie with the brand new Color OS 6.0, which for my first impressions, it looked quite stock Android looking. And then the phone comes with 2 variant options, which is a 3GB RAM with 32GB of storage variant and a 4GB RAM and a 64GB storage variant. Then the phone is also powered up with a 4230 mAh of battery, thus making this device a little thicker than other phones out right now. And of course, I'll do my full entire battery test during my full entire review of the phone. Now as for the phone's price here in Malaysia, the 3GB of RAM and 32GB storage variant is going for only 599 ringgit, and the 4GB of RAM and 64GB variant is retailing at 699 ringgit, and it will be available offline on retail stores from the 6th of April onwards, and there will be a first sale online on Lazada with a stunning price of only 549 ringgit on the 27th of March at 12 AM. And for more information on how you guys can get one, I will leave links at the description below. So guys, with this, do let me know what you guys would like to know about the Realme 3 at the comment section below, and as usual, I'll reply them in my full video review of the Realme 3. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my quick first impressions video of the Realme 3, and if you like this video, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.